Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you'll hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next rate small cap investment. It's Wednesday, June the 23rd, a day of mourning for all Greeks after losing that controversial game to Argentina yesterday, but we're not going to harp on that. We've got one great press release for you. It is a great one. Quality over quantity comes out of U.S. Gold, which trades on the TSX big board under UXG, and for our friends in America on the amex under UXG as well. The company is announcing results from 16 new holes. This is at their El Gallo project in Mexico. They're saying that these holes will be included in the initial resource estimate due in 2 weeks. I like the sound of that. We like resource estimates. It separates the wheat from the chaff, and especially know it's coming in 2 weeks. We're definitely going to keep a lookout for that. The company says that El Gallo continues to increase in size and that several zones appear to be merging into a single enlarged zone. That's also great news if that turns out to be true. Here are what they provide are the exploration highlights. Mineralization expanded 100 feet down dip in the east area of the main zone. They've got there 11.3 ounces of silver per ton over 32.3 feet and 15.9 ounces per ton of silver over 8.4 feet. Those are highlight holes, remember. The company is also saying near surface mineralization expanded 80 feet to the northwest. Highlight hole there, 3.2 ounces of silver over 78 feet. The company also says drilling intercepts mineralization 130 feet west of the previous known limits, extending the strike length of the main zone to 2,200 feet. So it's always great when you continue to extend there. And finally, they're saying another important intercept encountered between the main zone and the north zone significantly reduced the distance between the two areas. And they've got there 2.6 ounces per ton of silver over 81.2 feet, including 4.9 ounces per ton of silver over 37.5 feet. So some great numbers there. If you don't know about this company, Rob McEwen, former big guy over at Gold Corp, is the guy who's now the big head over U.S. Gold. Here's how they describe themselves. They say the company explores for gold and silver. They've got exciting high-grade silver discovery in Mexico that is rapidly expanding in size and has completed a preliminary economic assessment for building a gold mine in Nevada. There's a lot going on there. They're well capitalized. Obviously, someone like Rob McEwen can get that done. They also say they have a strong treasury and they're debt-free. So you got to go take a look at what a strong treasury is defined as, but I'm sure it's pretty healthy. Closed yesterday, $4.80. 52-week high, $5.04. So they're right there at the 52-week high. 52-week low, $2.16. So great news out of U.S. Gold. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. We'll only bring you the good stuff. We only had one press release for you today, but it was a great one. If you're watching this on Global Investor and want to find more great news about small cap resources companies, then look below me or to the left. See the headlines and the latest webcast to get you the latest leads. Also, get stuff to the front page of AGORACOM. Watch the show. Take a look at the best press releases over the last couple of days and get yourself into the marketplace directory of companies that we're covering. That's a wrap. Have a fantastic day. See you tomorrow.